Welcome back to the Alibaba Success Guide, and in this video we are going to be discussing actually making payment now for your product. Now the best way to make payment is through the Alibaba Secure Payment Gateway. And when this is done, Alibaba will take your payment, hold it in escrow, and as soon as your goods arrive, Alibaba will make the payment to the supplier. Now, if you decide to use a credit card, you will have some additional fees. They're generally worth it for the added security and for the fact that you can issue a chargeback if there's a problem with your merchandise. Now, if you're doing a large purchase, $20,000 or more, you can use a letter of credit for your payment. Now, a letter of credit is a letter backed by your bank that will release the funds once you verify that the supplier has delivered on what they promised. And when doing this, you'll probably want to work with a transfer agent in getting this in place. Now, the letter of credit will not have the same level of fees and will generally be better for the supplier. Now, because you won't have credit card protections in this case, the transaction, on the other hand, will not nearly be as secure. Now, for bank transfers, the more that a supplier wants up front, the worse the transaction is for you, the buyer. Typically, if you choose to use a bank transfer, you'll want to do 20% upfront and then the rest upon delivery. Now, in every case, Western Union is the most insecure method and you'll have no recourse if you choose to use it. Finally, make sure to read the Making Payment page in Alibaba for more specific, detailed, and up-to-date instructions. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.